This season's fashion must-have creates a new look from a vintage garment. So today I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a capelet from last season's skirt. So let's get started. You'll need two A-line mid-thigh length skirts, one for the body of the capelet and one for the border, a sewing machine, an iron, straight pins, ribbon, or an embellished button. First, take out any lining inside of the skirts. Cut up the back or side seam of both skirts, depending on where the zipper is. Cut around the zipper, removing it completely. Cut skirt B, which will be the border of the cape, about 2 inches wide from the inside raw edge and lengthwise just under the waistband. Snip into the square corners at the waistband to create space for folding in the seam allowance. Finish the raw edges of both skirts using a serger or zigzag stitch. Finish the outer edge of skirt A by folding it over twice and top stitching. This will be the front of the cape. Next, fold the inside raw edges of skirt B under and press them down. Pin them on top of skirt A and sew together. Here we're using the waistline as the neckline as a nod to a 1950s fashion trend. You can add a ribbon or a button for closure, and there you have it, a vintage skirt turned into a capelet and this year's fashion staple.